Yeah, what's up, guys? Today's one of those days, normal working days, where I have my work PC right here, and I also have my stuff, which I have my big screen right here, which I have some videos, some video topics that I want to record, and yeah, the reason for this. Normally, I wouldn't be recording videos, but these next 3 days is going to be interesting because I have to record some videos, because my main recorder, the person who I have hired to record the videos for me, she's currently out for 3 days, right? And I do have other recorders, but they're assigned to other projects. But of course, I also have some topics that I want to. I don't know how much videos, maybe close to 500 or 600 video topics that I personally want to record myself. And so I'm gonna try to see if I can squeeze in maybe 10 or 15 videos per day. Now, it's not gonna be easy. I'm currently working, and while I'm working my 9 to 5 job, whenever I get some space, a gap, I will be recording some videos. And so I'm gonna just go ahead and record one video. You're gonna watch me, I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna show you what it's like for me to jump around my PC and just simply record a video. So yeah, I have some topics. I'm gonna just choose one of them. The topic I am gonna pick right here from my cluster is how to find free music in the YouTube audio library, right? So I'm working on some of about a cluster for that space right now, and I'm gonna basically do it. So I have a dummy channel right here. This is a channel that I've created. You're not able to see it, but on my screen is basically a YouTube channel in the YouTube studio, and I will be you know, basically recording my screen. Actually, I'm going to record it, so maybe pull it up on the screen somewhere here so you can see what I'm going to record as well. So in real time, you are going to see what's actually going on. So yeah, let's jump right into it. All right, so how do we find free music in the YouTube audio library? I have my mic already set up right here, so my Shure mic is right next to my mouth right here, and yeah, I'm ready to go. And which, in terms of application that I'm actually using on my PC to record my screen, I don't record on this big screen here. I only record on my laptop screen. So all the other stuff that I want to see, it's over here, but I only record my laptop screen. Give me a moment. Let me check what's going on my work PC. There's some stuff going on, right? So I'm just trying to keep an eye on what's going on while I juggle both. Yeah, so let's do it. So I'm gonna just go ahead and just go back to YouTube itself, youtube.com, before I record my screen, because I want to show them everything that I'm about to do. All right, how do we find free music in the YouTube audio library? That's what I'm going to record right now. So let's do it. What's up, guys? Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find free music in the YouTube audio library. As you can see right here on my screen, guys, I'm on youtube.com. And what is important, you need to have a Google account, and you also need to have a YouTube channel. So if you don't have one, you want to create a YouTube channel so that you can log into the YouTube studio. So once you have that, just simply click your account on the upper right and go right into the YouTube studio. Once you're inside the YouTube studio, guys, you can easily find the YouTube audio library. Just scroll down on the lower left hand side. You will find the YouTube audio library. As you can see, it says audio library right here. You click on that, and so you will find music. All of these music that you can see here is actually free, and they're copyright free music that you can download. You can download them as MP3 and you can use them in your videos, right? So here on the left side, you can see that it's a play button. You can play it, and this allows you to listen to music. You can download it on the right side. If you look on the right side, you can see right here that it basically shows a download icon. Once you hover over added, where it shows added, you can find that download button. So you click and download right there, and it downloads that for you, right? The next thing is that you can search by different things, right? So I'm going to click in the search section right here. You can search by title, you can search by genre and shows different genres that you can download by. And you also have more options here such as mood, artist name, duration, attribution not required, and attribution required, right? So these are the ones you can choose what you want to. And so once you decide, right, you can download. You also have sound effects. You have over 360 sound effects. To be exact, it's 364, as you can see right there. You can listen them, you can download them. And one cool thing I like is if you're searching for a music, let's say you're currently just doing your research, you're not ready to download anything yet, you can just favorite them. You can click the star next to them and it goes into the start section right here. And so you'll have them here whenever you want to go back to download them at any point in time. And so that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can find free music in the YouTube audio library. And once you download it, you open up your video editor, whether that's CapCut or whatever you're using with your videos. You import the music, you adjust the volume, you add it where you want, you fade in, you fade out. Basically do your editing and it's good to go. You will not have any issues when you publish or post your YouTube videos. It's going to be free and you will not have any issues from YouTube. I think this is the safest way to use music in your videos because this is what YouTube provides, and YouTube will provide you the best free music, or let's say copyright free music, that you can use in your videos. But that's pretty much it. Very easy and very simple how to find free music in YouTube audio library. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video useful, give this video a like. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. So guys, that's pretty much it. One video done, right? I'm gonna go ahead and just copy this video title from my spreadsheet that I have right here. And I'm gonna just rename the video, right? Now, all of these videos that I'm recording right here, let me just remove this one from my list of topics. All of these videos that I'm recording right here are videos that I'm going to upload onto a system, and I'm going to share those with my editor, right? He's going to go through and he's going to edit them, and then he's going to send them over back for review. The person who's my channel manager is going to review those videos. If those videos are good, it's going to go through and it's going to be uploaded to the channel, and she will schedule them. She will create thumbnails, she will SEO, description, tags, everything. She will do that, right? And we're using ChatGPT for that. For creating thumbnails, we're using Ideogram. So if you haven't heard about Ideogram, you can check it out as well. Very good tools. And also, we also create thumbnails with vidIQ at times as well. So we play between the two apps. They're all very good in their own way, and so we use them both, right, across different channels. And so that's pretty much it. Now, this is my routine, right? This is what I do. From the other side, the person who is off today for the next 3 days, she also does the same. She will record the videos and she will basically upload them to the tool that we use. The tool we're using is called Croc. So we upload them, we create our projects, put the videos there, upload them. The editor will basically go there, download those videos, and it will edit them and re-upload them. The one thing I want to mention about Croc, why I'm using this tool, it is really amazing for what it does, and it works best with the team. When the editor re-uploads those videos, what happened is that we are able to go there to Croc and open the video file and watch them directly and comment them. It's like a little video reviewer. You open a video, you watch it, you pause it, you draw whatever you want to show emphasis about, you comment it, you say edit this, remove this good, you move it through stages, in review, reviewed, problem, whatever you want to do. And so the editor can go back, watch all the little steps or changes that we want him to make, and he will make them, re-upload again, and we review it. And so that's how we work. And then once the video goes through all those phases, then we upload them to the channels. As I said, I have over 9 different channels working on, and so it's a lot of work, right? But for me, we have some content uploaded already in Croc, and we have a lot of videos scheduled already. So I'm just trying to keep up the pace. I'm not going to slow down, not because the person who's recording for me, she's off for 3 days and I have other projects. I don't want to slow down. I want to continue to produce content. That's why I chip in now to start to record some videos. And so yeah, this is the first of those kind of videos that I want to show you behind the scenes of what's going on. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for now. Whew. It's really hot, guys. I have my fan over there and I want to go ahead and turn it on. I don't know, it's really hot right now. I don't know what degrees it is, but downstairs is much cooler because we have the AC and it's much better, but upstairs super hot. So apologies if you see my face sweated, but it's crazy. Yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you find value within this video, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you like this kind of content. I will be showing you more in other videos. Based on the feedback, I'm going to show you on screen what I'm doing, share with you my strategies so you can see more of the journey, what's going on. I would like to show you behind the scene. I'd like to share with you tips. I'd like to bring you along the journey so that you can see how I'm building my YouTube business on a daily basis. And I hope that it will not be boring for you. And of course, once you share your thoughts below the video, what you want to see, I can share them with you. I am living this life every single day, so I am almost guaranteed that I can share with you basically everything and help you along your journey as well. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.